So we are done with this question. Our next question is going to be number 9. Number 9 iri kuti if A is equal to African countries, then part A, Zambia, asterisk A, then A, asterisk Zambia. Saka this question is actually following question number 8. Yanga ichiti iyo we have to replace a star kanaka with a symbol inoshandiswa in sets and a set notation symbol. So we need to relate Zambia to African countries because taudzwa isusu kuti A is a set of what? African countries. So how do we do it? A panapa, our answer is simply going to be Zambia as a country is an element of the set of African countries. As simple as that, as straightforward. Because Zambia inyika iri muAfrica, kana tine a set iri kutaura about African countries, Zambia is going to be an element. Saka kuri kuti just for out of interest sake, tiri kuti A is equal to tachida kulista ma elements acho. How many countries in Africa? 54, 55 give or take. Tagona kutanga Mauritania takulista ma countries in Africa. Seychelles, Eritrea, and takulista Niger, and so forth. Andika toramba chilista kusvikira esadi pera. Pakulista kwedu ezotosvika pa Zambia, maybe Zimbabwe. Kuri kuti tanga chilista in any particular order. Of course, this is not in alphabetical order, but Zimbabwe is the last country in terms of the alphabet and in terms of other things also, which I'm not going to delve into. Saka ndozvirukuitika panapa. Zambia is basically an element. What about B? B came with a twist. And in order for you to be able to answer B, you have to have a fair appreciation of the symbols used in sets. Saka panapa tiri kuti A and it contains, you see, Zambia. You understand? A, it brackets Zambia. Because Zambia is of A, of which A is representing what? African countries. Saka we can say A includes Zambia. Part of A includes Zambia. This symbol in sets, it means includes. Very uncommon. My common symbols in sets and the happy element of course, not element of. Then you can talk about subset, cannot not subset of, but especially my common elements. Saka this was the challenge, especially Patinoi Yakuti includes. But I think now it's fairly understood. Having done question number 9, we have to go over question number 11